Jaceland Adventures, Tennessee. I'll show you the results so far of installing the core trench on my pond dam. So far, still need to add some dirt to this backside. The backside needs to be 3 to 1. Right now it looks like it's less than 2 to 1, but I'll get on it. The inside needs to be 2 to 1, and I believe I've got it pretty much laid out 2 to 1. It has been an ordeal, lots of dirt needed. I was able to pull it off, robbing dirt from the upper end of the pond. Still need to do some work. I've got to finish this island before it rains to where I can't get to it. It looks like it's rained enough to where I almost can't get to that one. I still need to do a little work on the back side there. It's got some steep. This little steep going into the water that needs to be. Need to throw some dirt in front of that steepness. That way it doesn't erode out so bad. But so far it's looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. Still carving out that other side over there. I've got to do a little bit of dress up on both of that side and this side. That's where I've been robbing the dirt. If you go to about where I've dug down to is solid rock. I can't get any deeper, but I can take the dirt around it, bring it back and use it in the dam. Had to bring the dam up a substantial amount on that far side to where this could be my overflow on this side, which I also have to finish working on. Weather's actually been nice to me. Normally by this time of year it would be lots of rain. This would have been filled up, but I wouldn't have had time to do the 2 islands or the carving of the outside of the pond here. But overall, it's looking pretty good. That's where I'm at.